Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Kashfix. It's a beautiful weather today and we're working on 2015 Honda Accord air filter replacement. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the air box and this is pretty straightforward procedure. Anyone can do it. This is simple DIY. What you have to do, pull this clip, push it down like that. Here's the second one is right here. This is the third one. Press it down and that's it. So basically there are 3 clips, and so lift it from here and pull towards you. There you go. And this will be separated. You don't have to remove any mass airflow sensor cable or anything. Just hold it with one hand and lift up the remove the air cleaner. It's a good time to go ahead and suck it up, clean it up. This is if you have a vacuum, just suck this thing out and replace with the new filter and lock the box. Here's the new replacement part. It says the Denso air filter 1433361. Here's the new filter. Do the reverse. Lift up this box. And drop this filter in place like that. Make sure it sits properly. And all you have to do is these 2 pins slide in these holes. One is right here, another one is right here. So lift from the back, slightly push it in like that, and then push it down. You will feel it. It's just starting to place itself. So go ahead, these are the lock pins. Press it down, lift it up. It's gonna lock in place. Second one, and here's the one down there. There you go. So this has been secured. And this is how we do air filter replacement in 2015 Honda Accord models. It's the same way if you have 2013, 14, 15 up until 16, 17. I hope you like this video and you will find this video somewhat helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'll be right back with some other helpful video.